In this class we are going to discuss one problem related to binary equivalent of decimal number. So, for example, any decimal number is given to convert into binary. So, that model we are going to discuss here. So, here the problem is find the binary equivalent of decimal number 23.9. We are having decimal digit also, that means, so here the problem stating that 23.9 is a decimal number. So, we need to find out the binary equivalent of that. That means, so here the conversion is decimal to any other, in that decimal to binary conversion. So, when you are converting decimal to any other number, so you just keep in mind like decimal to any other. So, division. So, D means division, you just keep in mind like that. So, you need to take division with respect to destination number system. So, here see here you are having point after digits also. When you are having like this decimal points like this, so for point before value you need to take successive division, and point after digits you need to consider multiplication. So, here you need to consider division for 23 with respect to 2, and for 0.9 you need to consider multiplication. So, let me do that procedure. So, this is decimal to any other number system type. So, here, so you need to consider division, successive division with respect to destination number system for the number 23.9 is given. For 0.9 we will do separately, and after that we are clubbing the result. So, here let me do this division, 2 ones 2 and 2 ones 2, here the remainder is equivalent to 1, and here 2 5s 10, here also remainder is equivalent to 1. So, here 2 2s 4, here also remainder is equivalent to 1, and 2 ones 2, so here remainder is equivalent to 0. Here the result is 1. 1 is less than 2, no need to perform another division. Now, when you are taking the result, you need to consider bottom to top. That means 23 decimal is equivalent to 10111 binary, 10111 binary. So, now coming to this point after digits, you are having 0.9. To convert that 0.9 into binary, you need to multiply. If you are having point before digits, for that you need to take successive division. So, if any point after digits are there, you need to consider multiplication with respect to destination number system. Same thing if you are doing in octal, then 8s will come here, into 8 will come here, like that. In hexa, we will take 16 in place of 2, that is it. So, here 0.9 into 2 is equivalent to 1.8. You need to consider this point before digit. So, after taking out this, remaining is in 1.8, if 1 is taken, remaining is 0.8, 0.8 into 2. So, here 1.6, again you need to consider this one as out, and remaining is 0.6. So, 0.6 into 2, this is 1.2, again this I am taking out this one. So, here remaining is 0.2 here after taking this one out. So, remaining is 0.2. 0.2 into 2 is equivalent to 0.4. So, here I am taking out this 0, remaining is 0.4. This process I think will continue. If like this is there, so then you can truncate up to 3 places or 4 places. So, according to the options given. So, here after completion, so this will continue. I stopped at 4 places, 4 digits. So, we need to take the result from bottom to top. When you are doing this successive division of point before digits, you need to take from bottom to top, but point after digits you need to consider the result from top to bottom. That means, so 0.9 is equivalent to 1110. So, totally your 23.9 decimal is equivalent to 23 is equivalent to 10111 point. So, your 0.9 is equivalent to 1110. You can take out this 0. So, binary. So, the binary equivalent of 23.9 decimal is like this. In the same way, we can convert any decimal number into any other number system.